Uninterested. Not showing interest or enthusiasm in something. She seemed uninterested in the movie and kept looking at her phone. He was completely uninterested in joining the conversation. The students were uninterested in the lecture and began doodling in their notebooks. She gave an uninterested shrug when asked about the event. The dog appeared uninterested in the new toy, walking away from it.